Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best mini PCs on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 9. Intel Celeron J4125 Mini PC Camry Microcomputer with high-speed 8GB DDR4, built-in 128GB M.2 2242 SSD. You can expand the storage with M.2 SATA SSD 2242 upgrade storage to 2TB. You can also add a 2.5-inch SSD to expand the memory. Wonderful safety data bank and larger storage space for you. Easily deal with simultaneous multitasking, entertainment, audio and video, office, diversified modern microcomputers. Camry PC desktop comes with dual HDMI and one VGA port which supports superb 4K ultra high definition display. Bring an amazing visual to you, good for home entertainment, movie, video conference, bringing you the best playback experience. Feel free to enjoy all your favorite movies with your family. You can also easily connect triple monitors at the same time, and perform different tasks on the triple screens, increasing your productivity. Number 8. Acer Chromebox CXI3. The Acer Chromebox CXI3 may be the best desktop version of Chrome OS available. Made for use in the classroom or in the office, the Chromebox CXI3 delivers everything that's great about Chrome: ease of use, simple security, and all the online capability you want, in a mini PC that boasts great features and performance. The compact Chromebox can be mounted almost anywhere and boasts plenty of ports, including several USB 3.0 ports, HDMI output and a USB-C port. Our model was outfitted with an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM and a 64GB SSD, combining to offer speedy performance and easy multitasking. Plus, it's cheaper than any similarly equipped Windows machine. For one of the best mini PC designs without the bloat of Windows, there's no beating the Acer Chromebox CXI3. Number 7. Dell OptiPlex 7070 Ultra. Our new favorite office desktop does a cool disappearing trick, with a funky design that hides the powerful mini PC inside a specially designed monitor stand that turns it into a low-profile all-in-one PC. Packing plenty of capability into its tiny size and offering a modular solution for offices that want to upgrade often, the Dell OptiPlex 7070 Ultra is a cool twist on the mini PC in the workplace. The mini PC itself is so slim it might get mistaken for a laptop battery pack or a desktop dock, but inside it boasts an Intel Core processor, up to 64GB of RAM and as much as 1TB of storage. It has plenty of ports and performance that puts it squarely among the best productivity-focused mini PCs you can buy. Number 6. Intel NUC 9 Pro. The Intel NUC 9 Pro is a workstation mini PC that offers huge power and a surprising amount of upgradability. A workstation desktop isn't an uncommon offering in the PC world, as they're the standard for many computationally demanding uses, ranging from architecture to animation. What is unusual is to see that level of performance packed into a tiny design that's smaller than a 5-liter SFF desktop. Throw in room for huge amounts of RAM, added drives and up to an 8-inch graphics card, and the Intel NUC 9 Pro is a rare beast indeed. And that's before discussing Intel's innovative compute element motherboard, which weds the modularity of the motherboard with the built-in cooling and self-contained design of a GPU to create a unique basis for a truly potent PC. Add it all up, and it's definitely the best workstation available in mini PCs today. Number 5. Beelink U59 36W Mini PC. Beelink U59 adopts Intel 11th generation N5095 processor. With 8GB DDR4, 256GB M.2 SSD, Intel HD graphics, 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi, BT 4.0. Meet the needs of different workers. These mini PCs are kind of hit and miss. I've seen some really bad ones that you only find out about after buying them. I've had a Gigabyte bricks that burnt out after a few years due to poor case ventilation and also had to buy the drive and OS separately. One was cheap but had a 64GB non-upgradable EMP boot drive and didn't work with Windows updates after 6 months, rendering it obsolete. Having learned from those experiences, I decided to get this since it looks like it actually does use standard parts inside. First thing I did was open it up. Everything is as advertised and then some. Number 4. Geekom Mini IT8. While this affordable mini PC packs an older 8th gen Intel Coffee Lake CPU, it still has more than enough power for day-to-day tasks. From web browsing to word processing, the Mini IT8 is quite up to what most people need. The Geekom Mini IT8 is also vase mountable, meaning that you can slap it on the back of your monitor for a clean desk. And while getting Windows 11 Pro pre-installed is awesome, our mind immediately begins to dream about what you can do with it if you turn this mini PC into, say, a streaming media hub or virtualization host for your home network. You can install Linux or whatever you want on the Mini IT8, making it a great mini PC for tinkerers and enthusiasts. Number 3. Azulle Access 3. The Azulle Access 3 takes our favorite tiny stick PC and makes it even better. With a compact design that's almost small enough to put on a keychain, and flexible enough to be used with any monitor or TV, the Access 3 gets a faster processor, speedier USB 3.0 ports and adds gigabit Ethernet for better performance and connectivity than any other stick PC we've reviewed. The zippy performance even supports 4K video output, making it great for streaming. Whether it's for use in your home theater, powering digital signage or just giving you a way to watch Netflix on your hotel TV, the Access 3 presses forward in a form factor that larger manufacturers have largely forgotten. The Azulle Access 3 is our new favorite stick PC, and the best mini PC you can slip into your pocket. Number 2. Beelink SEI8 Mini PC. Beelink SEI8 comes with Intel Iris Plus graphics 655, supports 4K HD ultra high definition content, 4K at 30Hz videos playback from YouTube, Netflix are always smooth and work well. You can enjoy 4K web surfing, video playback, watching TV, home theater, and enjoy the entertainment with your family. Dual HDMI ports, easily connecting 2 monitors, reduce waiting time, efficiency doubled work. Built-in high quality, fast computer response. Strong heat dissipation capacity, almost no noise. Wi-Fi 5 provides you with an ultra-fast and stable internet link to download files or videos faster. Mini PC Beelink SEI8 is pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro and Windows 11 Pro. Both systems are shipped randomly. If you receive Windows 10 Pro, you can contact us to upgrade Windows 11 Pro. We also provide lifetime technical support, 7 days 24 hours service. All our products have obtained FCC, CE, ROSH certification. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini with M1. The latest version of the Apple Mac Mini may look unchanged from its predecessors, but there's a revolution hiding inside. The Apple M1 processor, Apple's first big step away from using Intel processors in Macs. The new chip offers a surprising amount of power, taking on more expensive Intel Core i3 and Core i5 systems and coming out the victor. Paired with Apple's Mac OS Big Sur and Rosetta 2, it will run pretty much anything you need it to, as long as it's not Windows. It's not a perfect desktop. A smaller port selection and support for only 2 displays is a real letdown, but the overall value you get in the Mac Mini is more than we ever expected for the new, more affordable price. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.